Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how's your day? We hope you are having a good day. We would like to present about present continuous and present perfect. Let's introduce our group. We are from group 4, and for the first is Ainun Najib, with identification student number is 184. Then the second is Galuh Ayuandira, it's me, and identification student number is 190. For the third is Gilang Amanda Puspanegara, with identification student number is 192. And for the fourth is Salsabila Ariska Dara, with identification student number is 199. And the last is Madadi Ramadhani, with identification student number is 220. First, we're going to present about the meaning, structure, usage, spell rules of present continuous and present perfect. The first material will be presented by Salsabila Ariska Dara. Time is yours.
Before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Rizkadara, NPM 199. I will explain about the meaning of present continuous. The present continuous, or also called present progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that an ongoing action is happening now, either at the moment of speech or now in a large sense. The present continuous can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. It is very different from the present simple tense, both in structure and in use. Present continuous has three structures, namely is affirmative, negative, and interrogative. The structure of the present continuous tense affirmative is subject plus auxiliary be conjugate in present simple is are plus main verb or present participle ing. The auxiliary verb be is conjugate in the present simple is are. The main verb in invariable in present participle form ing. Example, I am playing soccer. She is singing. The dogs are barking. The structure of the present continuous tense negative is subject plus auxiliary be conjugate in present simple is are plus not plus main verb or present participle ing. For negative sentence, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Example, she is not staying in London. We are not playing football. I am not speaking to you. The structure of the present continuous tense interrogative is auxiliary be conjugate in present simple is are plus subject plus main verb or present participle ing plus interrogative. For question sentence, we exchange the subject and the auxiliary verb. Example, is he watching TV? Are they waiting for John? Am I playing soccer? Next will be explained with Gilang.
Before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Gilang Amanda Puspanegara, NPM 192. Present continuous usage. 1. To talk about action happening now. We use present continuous or progressive tense to talk about action happening while we were talking about them. Now at the moment. Example, the baby is sleeping. Children are watching TV. Grandpa is reading the newspaper. In all these examples, the action of sleeping, watching TV, and reading are happening while we are describing action. Two, to talk about unfinished temporary action or situation. Present continuous or progressive tense is also used to talk about action that are short-term and ongoing. Example, I'm living with my aunt this day. I'm reading Harukami Murakami. I'm learning French. 3. To talk about someone's annoying habits, which always or forever. Although we use simple present tense to talk about action that happen regularly always. But here is the twist. When we want to talk about an annoying habit that someone has, we use present continuous tense with the word always or forever. Example, he is always interrupting others. It is always raining here. Shiba is forever typing on the phone. Four, to talk about planet future arrangement. We can also use the present continuous tense to talk about the future. If we add a future word, we must add or understand from the context a future word. Future word include, for example, tomorrow, next year, in June, and Christmas. We only use the present continuous tense to talk about the future when we have planned to do something before we speak. We have already made a decision and a plan before speaking. Example, I am visiting my mother at Christmas. I'm not doing anything this evening. Roger is playing against Djokovic this Sunday. Certain keyword to watch out for. At the moment, now, they dash, currently, nowadays, always, forever, any future time period. Next will be explained by Galuh.
Okay, before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Galuh Ayuandira with NPM 190. How do we spell the present continuous tense? We make the present continuous tense by adding eng to the base verb. Normally, it's simple. We just add eng, but sometimes we have to change the word a little. Perhaps we double the last letter or we drop a letter. Basic rule, just add eng to the base verb, like work, working, play, playing, assisting, see, saying, be, being. Exception, if the base verb ends in consonant plus stressed vowel plus consonant, double the last letter. Stop, to be stopping, run, running, begin, beginning. Note that this exception does not apply when the last syllable of the base verb is not stressed. Open, to be opening. Exception if the base verb ends in ia, is change the ia to y. Lie, to be lying. Die, dying. Exception if the base verb ends in vowel plus consonant plus e, omit the e. Come, coming, mistake, mistaking. Okay, next will be explained with Ainu Najib.
Before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Ainu Najib, NPM 184. The meaning of present perfect. The present perfect tense is a verb tense used to express action that occurred at a non-specific time. The present perfect tense is also used to express action that start in the past but continue to the present. Present perfect structure. The structure of the present perfect tense affirmative is subject plus auxiliary have. Conjugate in present simple have has plus main verb past participle. The auxiliary verb have is conjugate in the present simple have has. The main verb in is invariable in past participle form at or irregular. Example, Sinta has made a spell check. I have studied. The structure of the present perfect tense negative is subject plus auxiliary have. Conjugate in present simple have has plus not plus main verb past participle. For negative sentence, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Example, she has not been to Rome. We have not played football. The structure of the present perfect tense interrogative is auxiliary have conjugate in present simple have as plus subject plus main verb past participle plus interrogative. For question sentence, we extend the subject and the auxiliary verb. Example, have you finished? Has he gone to the hill station? Present perfect usage. Number 1, present perfect for experience. We often use the present perfect to talk about experience from the past. Example, I have seen an alien. He has lived in Bangkok. Number 2, present perfect for continuing situation. We often the present perfect to talk about a continuing situation. This is a state that starts in the past and continues in the present and will probably continue into the future. This is a situation, not an action. We usually use for or since when with this structure. Example, I have worked there since June. He has been ill for 2 days. Number 3, present perfect for change. We also use the present perfect to talk about a change or new information. I have bought a car. The police have arrested the killer. Next will be explained with Manda.
Before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Manda Dia Ramadhani, NPM 220. How do we spell the present continuous tense? The spelling rules for present perfect tense in building past participle of regular verbs. Rules number 1, if the verb ends in E, you must add letter D. Example, font, become font, smile, smiled, agree, agreed, and lie, lied. Number 2, if verbs not ending with E, you must add ED. Example, ask becomes asked, clean, cleaned, followed, videos, videoed. 3, verbs ending with a single consonant preceded by a single vowel double their consonant. Example, bake, bake, rub, become, rub. 4, in 2 syllable verbs, the last consonant double when the last syllable is stressed and it contains a single consonant preceded by vowel. Example, river, rivered, referred, referred, occur, occurred. 5, Y turns into I. It is preceded by a consonant. Example, carry becomes carried, deny, denied. Next. Question time. Number 1, I need an umbrella because it's blah 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 right now. The time 10 seconds from now. Okay, the time is over. The answer is C, raining. Number 2, I got the best score last week, so this week I blah 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 my schedule. The time 10 seconds from now. Okay, the time is over. The answer is B, I'm not changing. Number 3. Hasi blah 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 to Tangerang last month. The time is 10 seconds from now. Okay, the time is over. The answer is A, gone. Next, number 4. They blah 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 the beer in front of my home. The time is 10 seconds from now. Okay, the time is over. The answer is D, have watched. Thank you.
Okay, that's all material. And finally, thank you so much for your great attention. Hopefully we can learn this assignment and will give benefit for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.